Hello dear traders, my name is Sophie Johnson, I'm Senior Manager at NSBroker, and today we are going to talk about the review of the financial market for this week. So let us go to our platform. I would like to explain you about a few main assets for this week and their predictions, their analysis for the trading. Let us start with oil, right? Here we have this asset on our chart. So first of all, oil rises due to the slow return of the US supplies after the Hurricane Ida. Oil prices rose today due to the overnight losses that was appreciation of the dollar and concerns about the demand. And with the slow resampling of the production in the Mexico, the resampling of the supporting refining activities. So the oil futures rose up to 43 cents, and per barrel right now the price we can see is 71 going to the 72, right? Brent oil futures rose up to 35%. We can see this situation right now. Yesterday, the head of the Russian oil producer Lukoil said the price of the oil of around the 65 up to 75 were like the comfortable, right, for consumers, and that a group of the leading oil producing countries, OPEC, sought to maintain the price range by regulating production. And the same head of the Lukoil mentioned that September of this month, right, will now be a milestone when restrictions must be lifted. The company has up to 90,000 barrels at the day of downtime, which we hope the market will need. So all the predictions are going that the price will be going up more. So you can use this time to make the trade on buy. I will make it the same. I will place right now the buy position on the oil. And the take profit, let us put, for example, 72, 73, let us place. Here will be the take profit point, right? Okay. The next, the headliner of the market is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hits after the aquatic depump as legal tender in El Salvador. The coin last traded at 46,000, surviving wild trade the day before, reaching at nearly 4 months' high of the 52. Like here, right, before falling about the 11% down, the biggest drop since the June the last month, right? So El Salvador became the first country in the world to accept Bitcoin as the legal tender. Yesterday it was mentioned, with the real world supporters saying it would cut billions in dollars sent home from abroad, but critics warn it could boost money laundering. The plan of the president of the El Salvador aims to allow the country to save around 400 million annually on remittance fees, mostly from the United States. So as I mentioned you before in our previous webinars, that the breaking news and some political events, some economic events matter a lot on the volatility, and exactly Bitcoin right now, this is the one of the biggest example on such way. As we can see, there was the big drop down, right? So currently the price will be going up, so this is the good time to open the trade on buy. And you will be able to earn a lot of there as the one main rule, right, that after the big fall of the price, there is going the big growth of the price. But there are some price corrections due to the events, due to the fundamental analysis. So you need to take into consideration and analyze the market and exactly the Bitcoin the clearest way. Already our oil going into the profit. That's amazing. And the other things that are on the top on the news on the markets these days, those are indices, because most of them are falling right now. They are really down below, and European stocks futures are lower than was before. European stocks are expected to open largely today due to the weakness on Wall Street overnight, due to the work as slowing economic growth. So let's see the Wall Street index, right? There was the big fall down, and currently it will be going up. So I mentioned all my traders that this is the excellent time and opportunity for you to make the buy trade. The same I will make, and it will be really the profitable time for you with such indices of the Wall Street, France as well, FR40. Right, already the green candlestick is going up, so we can see the price will be going up. Here the same situation, we can place on buy. So I will place the other 100 points. The same for this index. Okay. You can put the take profit manually, right? So this is your decision which the take profit, what amount of the pips you can use there. You can analyze for sure it will reach. And the Wall Street, let's see. You can make it smaller up to the middle of the Bollinger. Okay. Already the France 40 is in the profit. Take a look. The DAX futures contract in Germany advanced about 1% higher, but about the France, right? I already mentioned that as well. It felt, but it will be going up. And Germany, let's take a look. The same situation that currently it is going up, so the same buy trade will be going there. Let me place the take profit and let's see. We can a bit modify it. Okay. The FTSE 100, right? The UK 100 futures contract as well was falling. Those contracts, right? And currently the same. The movement is going to the uptrend, so we can place the same buy trade here. The US stock market spread up coming holidays week on the muted note yesterday with the Dow Jones Industrial Average down more than 260 points. So this is around 0.8%. Let's take a look. Already the same situation, right? All the indices are in the one same situation. So currently the index of the US is in the highest point. If we will analyze the scalping way, right? Here you will see that the price is really high. It will be going more. We can place the short term. Here I will wait till the position will be in the profit and I will close it manually. It will be like the scalping way, as I mentioned to you before in our previous webinars, how it works. You can take a look and test drive the strategy with the scalping. The UK 100, I will see what the take profit is going there. Okay, let's place it. So the US 100, let's wait till the price will reach the profit and then we will close it manually. So daily daily charts, right, helps you to predict the trend which will be going with the asset. So this will be the amazing way for you to trade on the longer term, to provide yourself the a bit another strategy, because some traders are using only the short-term strategies, right, about the 15 up to 1 hour time. So they are using such trades. One day chart will help you to analyze the trend, right, how the price was going and which direction price will be going currently. Okay, there are going some corrections with our trade, so I will wait a bit more, and after that they will be closed under the take profit, and manually I will close this US 100. So the Brent oil and the France 40 are in the profit. So my dear traders, wish you to trade successfully, and waiting for your questions, and